Hey guys, just wanted to give you a bit of information on this kit we supply, the timing belt water pump kit that we use for these. Basically, when you come to every 150 or 300, 450, every 150,000 K service, this is what we call a big front engine kit, okay? So this is what we use on the vehicles, only genuine OEM parts when I say that. So for example, the water pump, sometimes they'll be in a Toyota box, sometimes they'll be in the ASIN box, but same pump, different box, whatever. All just depends on availability. Pricing's pretty much the same, more or less, depending at the time and all that. But basically, we just want to explain that. So the water pump, same, different, same. The other things that come in the kit, obviously, the main drive belt, that's your rib belt there. Generally, they don't break. They last really well. They're really quality. That's why we like to use the genuine Toyota ones, or they're actually made by Bando. So same deal. It could be have the Toyota brand on it or directly manufacturer brand. It varies. So they generally don't break or deteriorate too badly. They're really good quality, but what they do is they stretch. And there's a belt gauge, like an indicator, you know, it's meant to be between this point and that point. And if it's not, then that's when it needs to be replaced. We recommend replacing every 150,000 Ks. At the same time as that, there's some other idlers on that drive belt, which all take bearings. That's the 5 bearings here. And of course, then you've got your timing belt. So the timing belt's here as well. We supply a cam seal in case it's leaking. We suggest if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If it's not leaking, then you don't want to be touching it, because you might upset it, and you know that's happened before where people have changed it and maybe didn't do the best job. I'm not sure, but they generally don't leak. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Just keep it as a spare, in my opinion. You can do what you want, but that's what I recommend. What would I know? New genuine timing belt here. Again, genuine Toyota tensioner. It's actually an NTN tensioner. Same thing, it may be in a Toyota bag, it may be in NTN, all depends on what stock we're getting at the time. So we put this all together as a kit. This is what we use on your vehicle, or it's available for you. If you need to book in or obviously get that kit, give us a call on, here it is, 0490 261 013. Obviously can only service customers in Australia, people local to us. We've also got other recommended repairers, so even if you're elsewhere in Queensland or New South Wales or even over WA, whatever the case may be. And we're also looking for other people that, if you believe you can do the job right, pretty straightforward stuff, piece of cake to you, please make contact, let's have a chat. We need quality businesses that have got good workers that can do things right and get it right the first time to help share the workload. There's a lot of work to be done that needs to be done properly, and this is the problem these days, a lot of things don't get done properly. So this is the kit that we recommend because it's got all the components we believe you need to do the job right. I'll explain why you replace this belt. The bearings, okay, so the big one that's on the idler, it's on the tensioner for the main drive belt. The tensioner for the main drive belt's quite expensive. You don't want to get stuck having to replace that. We don't see problems with those, but I think look, people have been quoted prices around $1,000. I've mentioned it before. You don't want to get caught out with that. Reliability wise, these are the things you want to replace. And of course, we've got videos on how to do this job, both just the time belt or just the water pump or the whole lot, a few different ways we've done it on Prados and Hiluxes and whatever to help you out. If you're going to do it yourself, that's kind of your backup, and if you buy the parts from us, that's your backup service also. Anyway guys, just a short one hopefully, and a bit of information for you. We're not a parts selling business, we don't have a website, but we've got a few kits we do, obviously. We've got to pay the bills, and also just to make it easier for you, because we source these parts, there's a number of different components here. They come from a lot of different suppliers, and we put it together as a kit to make it easy for you. So if you need anything, you want to book in, give us a call. Talk to you then. Thanks for watching. See ya.